Yeah, it is Saturday, November 28th, I believe, or October 28th, 2017. Just take a note. I mean, I remember this as a kid because my dad was an electrician, and we always had tons of electronics, and my dad, I mean, tons. It was ridiculous. Always. But I haven't experienced this in a while where you touch a wire that is connected to an amplifier and a speaker, and you can, as a biological human being, be a receiver of signals. So that tells you, this tells you right now that I'm picking up that signal right there. Isn't that crazy? That I'm actually receiving that signal right there. See, there's nothing. This speaker has no radio at all. It does not play anything unless you hook in some sort of instrument or, some sort of music playing device. This itself does not produce any sort of sound. It only outputs the sound you put into it. And so this is what I'm putting into it. This is the receiver to put your phone or any device where it can take a plug for a speaker.
Think of yourself back when, in that McDonald's drive-thru when Tom was 3.
So I'm picking up this
I want you to put on weight. Speak to
station right here.
And give her the definition and the direction of the beautiful wife.
Yeah. A beautiful wife first turns to God. I was my own God in that I was trying to do it myself. I really felt like I could get it right. But the fact was, I couldn't. And so humbling myself and turning to God and saying, I don't know how to do this. I don't know what to do. Help me. And getting that help from a community of women to help make sense of what you're reading in the Word and to help you identify your location in the Word. Some women need to speak up. They need to speak the truth in love. Some women need to tone down, and they're just telling their husbands what to do all the time, and they're wondering why they aren't experiencing the intimacy that they desire, because they're acting like their husband's mothers. So you have to locate where you are in Scripture, and other women can help you do that. Other mentors can. And you have to understand what your role is as a wife. And that's going to look different in every marriage. And that's that women come together because we can say that mentoring saved our marriage.
And I find it almost as fascinating as what the content that I'm picking up is. It's some sort of Christian channel, possibly sounds like an AM channel. By the way, God is your government ordinance department. God is your government. Just in case if you didn't know that. I find that fascinating. I just absolutely and I've thought, like, why haven't I been picking up signals like I used to when I was a kid? Because I picked this thing up all the time and attached my phone so I could play music, because I was about to play music, and I haven't picked up signals in a long time. But right now I am picking up a very strong signal. Anytime you touch this metal piece right here, I'm a conductor. So that tells you that we most certainly are electrical conductors of not your regular electricity, not just your regular electricity, but microwave electricity mainly. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, guys, but I've always been fascinated by this. And it's been a while since I've experienced this, and I just had to take note, basically from my own research purposes. So now I can do some investigating on this shit. Alright, I'm out, guys.